Hello everyone, I am Drishti from Calligraphy by Drishti and I am creative head of the channel. This video is made for all those who were asking me questions like what all I use, from where do I source it and how much does it cost me. So this video will cover everything and solve all your doubts. So let's get started. First we'll start with the pens. This is a set of calligraphy pen which I got 2 months back from a nearby stationery, and this is for rupees 100. This is a set of 4 nibs, so you can see, and a pen. This is a simple fountain pen. This simple calligraphy fountain pen, and this has a nib, various kinds of nib, how to use this pen. This is also same kind of pen. I got it from the same stationery. It's very simple to use. All you have to do is open this, fill this tank with fountain pen ink, close it, and your pen will be ready to use. When you have to change the nib to change the font size, take this out, remove the nib, attach the nib of your choice, and to attach it like this and put it inside the pen and close it, and your pen will be ready to use. Now it is very important to wash this pen every month, because when we put ink inside, the ink starts getting deposited after few days. Like after 15 days your ink starts getting deposited, so it is very important to wash it every month. To wash it, it's very simple. Detach everything, detach this also, put it in hot water or distilled water and put it for 1 to 2 hours and let it dry, and your pen will be ready to use again. This bookmark is done with the same pen, with this pen only. Next comes the this calligraphy set from Artline. This is a set of 3 pens with 1 mm, 2 mm and 3 mm nibs, as you can see, and I got it from a nearby stationery for 200 rupees. Set of 4 pens was also available for 300 rupees. You can get it from any stationery, and these are readily available everywhere now. This bookmark is done with these markers only. Now to outline my drawings in bookmarks, I use the simple gel pen from Link. This says 0.6 gel. This is simple gel pen. I use this to line my drawings. Now what ink do I use with fountain pens? So this is the ink which I use with fountain pens. This is Camlin fountain pen ink in Scarlet Red. This is black. This comes in blue, green, red and black. This is the older packaging and this is the latest one. You can use old ink also, there is no problem, it will work the same. Now paint brushes. These are the paint brushes which I use. This is from Camlin. This is number I suppose 8 or 9. It is not written, it is erased now. This is a simple brush which I got it. This is a local brush. This number 3. I got it from nearby stationery. I got these brushes from nearby stationery, and I also use this brush which came with my watercolor set. This is Camlin brush. This is 4 number. These are the paint brushes I use. At times I use my paint brushes to do calligraphy. This is done with the paint brush. So this brush is ideal to write all these things. I don't suggest to use a very thin brush like 0 or 1 number to write this, because when we use thin brushes like 0 or 1, they don't hold much color, so breakage comes. So that's important that you use a thicker brush to avoid the breaking. The next comes the colors. I use this Camlin Artist watercolors. This is shade this is a set of 18 shades. These are artist watercolor cakes. I would tube colors also come, but I would suggest you to use cakes because they are comfortable to use and they don't dry up with time. This is the set. I got it from a nearby stationery for 225 rupees. Now next comes, what paper do I use? I use this watercolor paper 300 GSM. I got it from a nearby stationery. This is from Anupam Stationery. The company is Anupam Stationery. If you purchase loose sheets, then you will get it for 40 rupees. Like A3 sheet will cost you 40 rupees. I also got this calligraphy sheets from a nearby stationery. This is 200 GSM, size A4. This is pad of 20 sheets. This is from company Anupam and the MRP is 280 rupees. I don't know from how much I got it. And this is Bristol paper. This paper is specially designed for calligraphy and it is ultra smooth so that nib can easily glide on this. I've done this calligraphy on this and it was very comfortable to use. Next comes these brush pens which I don't use very frequently. It's very old. This is the brush pens. This is from Camlin. Many companies make these brush pens like Doms, Faber-Castell and many more. This is the brush pens. You can use brush pens from any brand, there's no problem. So I think I've covered everything. This is all I use and this is all you need to start your calligraphy journey. I would suggest you to start your calligraphy journey with this simple pen and a simple 4-line notebook. You can practice on that notebook, refine your skills and then move to products like calligraphy sheets and other pens like these art line markers, right? So this is all about my calligraphy products. This is all I use and this is all you need to start your journey. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe and keep me motivated so that I make more such videos. Thank you so much.